Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. This practice will guide us to gratefully acknowledge the people who make our lives better each day. Start by finding a comfortable seat. If you're on a chair, adjust your feet so they are flat to the ground. If you're on a cushion, allow your sitting bones to root downwards. And as you gently press through your seat, let your back lengthen all the way to the top of your head. Now, direct your awareness to your breath. As you take a few deep, expansive breaths, give yourself permission to fully arrive into this moment. Now return to a soft and easy breath. Find a natural, comfortable rhythm as you breathe. Let your inhales and exhales happen spontaneously. And follow your attention for the entire cycle of your breath. Notice where your inhale begins. Stay with it all the way to the moment it transforms into an exhale. And then notice the length of your exhale all the way to its end when it shifts back to an inhalation again. And stay present with this natural cycle, allowing your mind to rest on the waves of your breath over and over again. As you continue to notice the full cycle of each breath, notice also what it feels like to breathe. Notice the sensations of the breath as it moves in and out of your body. Observe the very beginning of your inhale as the breath first moves into your nostrils. Follow it down into your lungs, noticing how your ribs expand, and then start to naturally contract as your exhale begins, and follow the breath as it moves back up and out of your nostrils again. And now, bring to mind a person you are grateful for. Don't overthink this. Whoever comes to mind first, hold them in your attention for a moment. Get a clear picture of this person in your mind's eye. Their face, clothes they might be wearing, and without getting involved in the stories, acknowledge how they have touched your heart in some way, big or small. Now, take a moment to recognize that each and every day, we come into contact with people who make our lives better, or easier, or just more pleasant. It could be a family member that lends a hand with household tasks, a child that lights up the room with laughter, a friend that calls to check in on you, a barista who greets you warmly as she makes your latte, a stranger that holds the door for you, a coworker that offers support on a big project, a neighbor with a friendly smile, kindness exists everywhere. We just have to acknowledge it, to be grateful for it. And the more we do, the easier it is to see it and to offer it back out. Take a few moments now to sit with the feeling of gratitude for the people in your life. And now become aware of your breath again. Notice your body in space. Notice the sounds in the room around you. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. I invite you to bring this sense of gratitude with you into the rest of your day, and we'll see you again tomorrow.